way do you want to go? Forward leads to Brendam Docks. Right leads to the lava quarry. To Brendam Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Well done! Excellent! We all love your train set. Choose a new toy. It's super. Where to now? Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Forward leads to the Sodor Steamworks. The Steamworks are just ahead. I love that. Time for a refreshing wash at the Steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it all. Thanks a lot for your help. Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the big bridge. Left leads to the lava quarry. Let's go to the big bridge. Right leads to Brendam Docks. Left leads to the big bridge. Let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was so much fun!